cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a body paint. The inspiration for today's body paint comes from the movie The Silence of the Lambs. I'm planning to recreate the official poster. Let's start! Glasses are on. Today I'm planning to start from the lips because I want to use eyeshadows, red and yellow and orange, and then after that I will finish the body and stuff like that. So, to save the butterfly on the lips, I'm gonna use this pencil right here. This is from NYX Professional Makeup. And now I will go to do the main shape and then I will explain you the colors and all the info that you need to know. Next step is to take oil paint. This is from NYX Professional Makeup, the SFX palette. And as you can see, it was a very nice palette. I have two colors left. So I will take the brown here and I will go to the wings to create a sticky base. Imagine it like a primer for the eyeshadows that they will come. Oh my god, I realized that I have recorded sound but not video. Oops. So I use this palette right here. This is from Aden Cosmetics, the Vixen palette. This is the color story. Very nice palette, very good quality, vegan, cruelty free, and actually the money from this palette are going for a great cause. I have already told you about that in a previous video of mine, and I have pretty much used the shade The of Vixen and Fight, as well as We, to finish my butterfly here. Of course I'm planning to use some extra stuff, I haven't finished yet. And now I'm gonna do the down wings by using mainly black and brown. Okay, time for some alchemies right here. I'm gonna take my liner palette from Beauty Bay, aqua liner of course, and this aqua liner right here, this is from Makeup by Tammy. Basically, these aqua liners are working like water-based body paint colors. So I'm gonna mix the orange right here with this one, and I'm hoping to create a bright enough orangey, yellowish color to do some highlights at my butterfly. Yeah, after I saw this result, I decided that I need more intensity at my colors. That's why I'm going with aqua colors right now. Mehron palette, Paradise Makeup aqua color, and I'm gonna take the orange shade and the red shade and I'm gonna intensify all the colors. My boyfriend just corrected me and apparently this is not a butterfly, this is a moth. Now I'm moving on to the body of this butterfly moth. And first I'm gonna do the orange parts and then I will add the black to make sure that I will have the brightness that I want for the orange. Before I do the white skull, I'm gonna add some highlights to the orange part of my moth's body. Now it's time to do the head and the skull, and for this I'm gonna use from NYX Professional Makeup two Epic Ink eyeliners in black and in white. So let's go and see it. Have you noticed that I removed my necklace? That means that it's time for the actual body paint. Actually, for today I was thinking to try to mimic the poster and create a black part for the shadow and then a white part for where the lights are. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is Vice from Eulenspiegel. I'm gonna set kind of the limits where the white should be, then a little bit blue from Mehron palette here, and then I will continue the rest with black. So I will have here on my laptop that you cannot see the poster as a reference picture, and I'm gonna do what I just described. The white part is now done, so I'm gonna take this black right here, this is Mehron palette. I'm gonna blend the black into white using the aid of a blue. This one right here, James Charles palette. So let's take a fluffy brush and let's go. I feel that now with the addition of blue, it's really getting somewhere. So basically I'm gonna do the same to the face. I'm gonna do the white side and the dark side. So let's try to do the face then. Okay, I finished with the white on my face, and now on this side I'm gonna add some black. Now that I have finished with the black shading as well, I'm gonna do some more light shadows, I would say, with eyeshadow around my eye area and around my nose to mimic the poster of the film as good as possible. Have you noticed that my moth is kinda unfinished? It doesn't have legs and horns. Actually, I don't know if they are called legs and horns for the insects. Anyway, I hope you understood. So now that I have the base and I'm sure that everything is as it should be, now I'm gonna give it all the details as well as the shadowing with, again, the black eyeshadow that I'm using. After adding some extra shades here and there, it's time for the Greek word of the day. So for today, I decided to go not only with just a word, but with a whole phrase. So today I will tell you how we say in Greek the silence of the lamps. So we say Isiopή των αμνών. Isiopή των αμνών. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using this title, but this time I'm gonna ask you something extra. Okay, little story time first and then what I'm gonna ask you. So I had like a Happy New Year message on Instagram in Spanish. So I was super excited about that because I know how to say Happy New Year in Spanish. I'm not gonna try here, but I know it. You can test me down at the comments. So this time I'm gonna ask you to try to say Silence of the Lambs in your own native language. It's gonna be super fun to exchange the experience, the languages, everything's gonna be so nice. So yeah, that's your task for today. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's body painting. Oh my god, it feels so weird to talk with that moth on my mouth. Anyway, so I hope that you have a good time here with me. I hope that you actually seen the movie, and I would love to hear your opinion down in the comments. If you like it, if you didn't like it, why not? Another great discussion, I would say. Don't forget to like this video if you actually like it, and subscribe to this channel for more body paints, more normal makeups, and you know, other lifestyle content. Also, I have an Instagram page. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni. Down here, as you can see. Don't forget to follow me there for more fun stuff like unboxings, like reviews and other stuff that I cannot really do here on YouTube. Okay, so before I close the video, I feel that this makeup will be better with lights off because that was the initial idea. So give me a second. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Until next time, bye bye.